If you're looking for a new professional grade truck that goes a little bit higher, check out the new 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation Package. Sterling metallic is the color. We've got V8 power underneath the hood, 20 miles per gallon highway, 20-inch painted black alloy wheels wrapped in all-season tires. We got our side steps, premium cloth. These are heated front seats, power driver seat, big, huge console, wireless charging, center console shifter, all of our climate controls here, connectivity, also integrated trailer brake controller, huge screen here for all of our stuff, including Google, Alexa, all that kind of stuff on the GMC infotainment system. Full digital cockpit, paddle shift right there on the steering wheel, leather wrapped, and also hands-free controls. Second row, more of that premium cloth. We've got in-seat storage right here on both right and left side. Center armrest with cup holders, big, huge monolithic floor mats, rear air, and also USB hubs, and a whole lot of cargo room. In the back, we've got 12 tie downs, lights, and also power, and a multi-function tailgate with a coating. And of course, we have a class 4 receiver hitch, and we're ready for going out, going on the town, and going on an adventure in our new 2024 GMC Sierra Elevation Package, available at Payne Weslaco Buick GMC. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.